In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show activity view in ClickUp. If you want an easy way to monitor updates happening across your work, the activity view is a great tool. It helps you see important changes in one place, such as status updates, comments, assignments, and other task actions. This can be especially useful when you want a quick overview of what's happening in a space, folder, or list without opening every task individually. To begin, open the ClickUp location where you want to track activity. This can be a space, a folder, or a list, depending on the level where you want to monitor updates. Choosing the right location matters because the activity view will reflect activity from that specific area. Once you're in the correct location, go to the top of the page and click the plus view button. This is where you can add a new way of displaying information for that workspace area. From the available view types, select activity. This tells ClickUp that you want to create a view focused specifically on changes and actions rather than task lists, boards, or calendars. After that, enter a name for the view, then click Create View. Giving it a clear name can help you recognize it later, especially if you use multiple views for different purposes. Once the view is created, take a moment to review the activity being displayed. The activity view can show task changes, such as status updates, comments, assignments, and other actions. This gives you a running log of what your team is doing and helps you stay informed without needing to search manually. If you want to make the view more specific, open Customize, then click Activities. From there, choose the activity types you want to display. This is helpful if you only care about certain updates and want to reduce clutter on the screen. You can also refine the results further by clicking Filter and choosing which tasks should appear in the view. Filtering helps narrow the activity feed so you only see updates related to the tasks that matter most to you. If your workflow includes subtasks, turn on subtasks to include activity from them as well. This is a useful setting if important updates often happen below the main task level. Finally, configure the view based on how you want to use it. You can enable options like Pin View, Private View, Protect View, or set as default view if needed. These settings help you control visibility, access, and convenience. And that's how to show activity view in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.